Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Belinda and today we're going to be doing a Lacy Sunshine Farm Days colouring book flip through. Let's pop in and have a look. So this is a new book by Valentin. So we've got the Lacy Sunshine's Farm Days colouring book flip through. This is the PDF version of it, which you can get on her website, so I'll pop the link in the description below. You can also get hard copies of this one on Amazon as well. I'll pop all of those links in the description below. It's a really lovely book. There's loads of different animals in it. It's very cute. I like it. I hope you guys enjoy it too. That's everything that I have for you today. I hope you enjoy the flip through. If you would like to click the like button if you like it, let me know in the comments below which one's your favourite image, and if you haven't already, please make sure you subscribe. Click on the little bell if you want notifications when I upload new videos. You can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Vero as well. Thanks so much for watching guys, and I will see you in the next video.